let's have a look at this question. If 27 exponent x plus 2 divided by 81 exponent 8 give us 1 over 9, what will be the value of x? This is an exponential equation. Let's rewrite the question. Remember, under exponential equation, our concern is to write the left side of the equal sign to be the same as the right, having the same base, the same exponent. That's the meaning of the equal sign. So I'm seeing 27, 81, and 9. I have to think of one prime number that can multiply itself a certain number of times to give rise to 27, 81, and 9. And I believe that will be 3. So if I have 3 times 3, that will be 9. 9 times 3, that will be 27. So the first one will be 3 exponent 3. So this is representing 27. And that 27 is also having a power of what? X plus what? 3. Divided by, this will be 27 times 3. And that will give you 81. Meaning we are multiplying 4 different times. So that gives you 3 exponent 4. But the 81 have a power of 8. And this become 1 over 3 times 3, 9. So 3 exponent what? 2. I guess you follow that? Alright. Remember, if you have a exponent m, and it is a matter of what? Multiplying the exponent. So here I will just be multiplying the exponent, which means this become 3 exponent of 3 times x. 3x, 3 times 3, 9. If you make a mistake, you only multiply the x by the 3, leaving the other 3. So I also suggest you make it this way: 3 into bracket x plus what? 3 from here. So that you know that you are going to expand the bracket to get to this side. Then divided by 3 exponent 4, 8, 32 equals to, we can remember 1 over a exponent n is a exponent minus n. So this becomes 3 exponent of minus what? 2. Base 3 being divided. So if I have a exponent m divided by a exponent n, it should be the subtraction of the powers. So I'll be having the powers here. So 3 exponent of 3x plus 9 here minus 32, which is here, equals to 3 exponent minus 2. I guess this is dealing with the division law. As you divide numbers of the same base, you subtract their exponent, and this is binomial term. So put it there and subtract the other term from it. So this is going to be 32 minus 9 to get a negative answer. So this will be, if you take 2 from here, you're left with 30, 2 from here, left with 7. That's going to be 23. So let's put it together in this form: 3 exponent of 3x minus 23 equals to 3 exponent what? Minus 2. So now we have equal base, base 3, base 3. It means the exponent here is the same as the negative 2. It's an equal sign. So the left must equal to the right. That can be written as 3x minus 23 is the same as what? Minus 2. We have equal base, equal exponent to make it the equal sign definition. So what do we do next? We are going to send this one there as in adding 23 to both sides. That will be 3x equals to minus 2 plus. That will be 23. Negative become positive if you add the 23 to both sides. So I'll be having 3x is equals to, this is like 23 minus 2, and that will be 21. So let's divide by the coefficient, which is 3, right? So that becomes 3x divided by 3, 21 divided by 3, x is equals to what? 7. Meaning the value of x that satisfies this expression is going to be 7. You put 7 here, that becomes what? 10. So 27 exponent 10 divided by 81 exponent 8 is the same as what? 1 over 9. I guess the concept is clear. Like, share, and comment.